Are you worried about the cleanliness of your overhead tanks? Or do you want to make the process of cleaning it easy? So here comes the revolutionary idea of tilted tank.
The functioning of the tank is as follows. Tilted base. In conventional water tanks, the base of the tank sits at a 0-degree angle to the ground. Due to this, the sediments get settled at the base because of the force of gravity. The consumer hence has to get it cleaned every 5 to 7 months. The cleaners have to get down in the tank and clean it. This results in many vector-borne diseases as the residual water is often the breeding site of vectors. It causes the consumer loss of money 2 to 3 times a year. The tilted design solves this by preventing the settling down of sediments. Due to the tilt at the base, the sediments will be flushed out of the tank through the outlet at the bottom due to the force exerted by the water.
So bid goodbye to regular cleaning services and get a tilted tank. The tank is self-sufficient with low-cost maintenance and with a body which can last up to 10 years under rough conditions. The pH sensor is accurate and beep when the water quality gets worse. It also has an additional cleaning mechanism where all the silt is accumulated because of its innovative design and can be removed just by opening the tank.
The functioning of the electrical part of the tank is as follows. The tank features two circuits, one to detect water levels and the other one to determine the pH value of the water. The first circuit makes use of an HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor which determines the distance of the water from the top and accordingly starts and stops the electric water pump to fill the tank. The circuit makes use of a pH sensor module to get the pH value of the water stored and transmits it to an alphanumeric LCD display to give it a real-time reading of the pH value of the water. Also, the circuit is programmed in a way that whenever the pH value exceeds the limit safe for human consumption or usage, it alarms the user about it through a buzzer.
Please allow me to show a live demo of the model.
Here we can see normal tank on the left and tilted tank on the right. A pH sensor has been added to measure the quality of the water and a tap has been given to clear out all the silt that has been accumulated on the tilted base. Here the tilted tank has an advantage over the normal tank because of its tilted base, and as you can see the normal tank has the dust accumulated in a flat surface, thus making it difficult to clean. The tilted tank has a tilted base, so it is easy to clean and to maintain.
Future prospects. The first circuit can be used to give an estimate as to how much water is left in the tank via the same sensor. The distance from the top to the center of the water level can be considered the height. The radius of the tank will be constant and the amount of water can be calculated in any unit and displayed on an LCD display. The pH sensor can be used to stop the water pump when the pH value goes outside the safe limits, and the user can be notified via a Bluetooth or Wi-Fi based application.